You can go to volocars.com and see a couple hundred classic cars all for sale. But right now we've got a 1967 Chevy Biscayne with a 427 and a 4-speed. So why don't you join me and let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is a special car. This is a cool car. I've been after it for quite a while. It's from the Horton Classic Car Museum. It was a private 150 car collection, and the owner passed away and the collection got sold off. They prided themselves on numbers matching cars. According to the numbers and codes that we see, it's the original motor, trans, rear, color, and it's factory air conditioning under the hood too. But we're going to talk about the outside. It was body off frame restored. Car is outstanding. So it's black, and it looks amazing. And you know black doesn't hide anything. But this is all laser beam straight. I'm looking into a mirror. I mean, I can read the writing on the insulation in the ceiling in the trunk of this car. The gaps are spot on. There's no rust, no shrinkage, no body work. I mean, that is laser beam straight. Absolutely straight. All nice, clean, beautiful, right down to the bottom, even underneath there. All around here, smooth, clean. I mean, it's spot on. There's no rust. Shuts real nice. There is a hairline crack. You know, this is right where the seam is for the quarter panel. So it does have just a stress crack right there. No rust, no bubbling. All lines up. This all fits beautifully. I mean, this is outstanding. This is really, really nice body and paint. I'm looking at the paint. I'm not finding any flaws. All straight on this side, square and flush, no issues. Now this is a sedan. It has the post frame around the windows. This is a Biscayne. This is like a no frills car. It's very unusual. It has factory air conditioning. But yeah, body and paint are outstanding. So there's not much chrome to talk about, but the door handles are new. Vent frames look really nice. The rubber seals look like they are replaced. Stainless moldings look new. Rear windows real clear. Emblems are shiny. I guess the Impala taillights are different. Bumpers really nice. Taillights, emblem, all that looks really slick. They did upgrade it, and I really like it, with some Billet rally wheels. These are not the steel rim. These are Billet rallies with the little derby center cap there with radial redline performance tires. I think that really gives it a cool look. Bow tie mirror, new windshield. Got the Cross Flags 427 emblem. And then up front here, it's got T3 correct headlights. All the trim, the grille, the chrome, all looks really nice. So now, why don't we open it up? Yeah, a lot more to show you. If you go to volocars.com, you'll also find a price tag on this car and every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance payment. So let's check out what's inside this ginormous trunk. Well, under the trunk lid's painted really nice. Sticker needs a little help there. It's got a wire running up to a light. The jamb is painted slick. Weather strip is new. Completely clean trunk floor. Now the mat is rolled up. That's just so it doesn't get moisture underneath that rubber mat. That condensation is held in there. It has a tire cover and a bag for the jack. I like to see the spare. It's all restored. The jack is hiding behind there. It's a reproduction tire. So it is a complete trunk compartment, and it practically looks new. We also have the Buy It Now button on our website. You see something you like, you click that button to get it locked in before someone else beats you to it. The jambs are painted really slick. Weather strips look new. So it has the Biscayne interior, no frills. It has new door panels, armrest, window cranks, handles. They look like new. So padded dash. The instrument panel's real nice. Does have the factory tachometer and gauges. Quartz movement clock. Like I said, it is a factory air car, which is very unusual, but AC controls. Here's the factory vent, original radio, glove box liners, new. It's got the sticker, all nice and clean. Kick panels, carpet, all real nice. Original 4-speed bench seat shifter. Some cracks in the ball, but it's original. I kind of like that. Just the plain upholstery. Bench seat does have seat belts, and it has headrests. And the back seat's all upholstered. Missing the ashtrays on each side. We have those coming for it. They were ordering those. Side panels are redone. The rear shelf, the headliner, all that's redone. Dome light works. Got the matching visors and mirror. All look great. Steering wheel looks like it's reproduction. It's really nice. Pedal pads. Everything in here is in really nice shape. All right, get the hood open. So here we go. Let me explain this car a little bit. First of all, there's the tag on the firewall. That tells us it is a factory tuxedo black car with black interior. And in 67, it does list some option codes. And it says that this car was born a 427. No, the tag says it was born a 4-speed with factory air conditioning. Now, the engine itself, the casting numbers on the back are correct. It says that it is a 67, 427, 385 horsepower engine. The VIN number is actually stamped up here on the front, but it does have some Brodix aluminum heads and a Chevy bow tie aluminum intake. Looks like an original style dual feed Holley carb, right valve covers, air cleaner, upgraded MSD ignition. And it has some coated long tube headers. And then here's your factory air conditioning system. Reproduction battery cables. Looks like they put on some correct hoses and clamps. The radiator looks good. Has an aftermarket overflow bottle. Alternator still has a sticker on it. Does have power steering, but it's manual brakes. Wipers, washers are hooked up, has hood insulation. So yeah, very nice motor compartment.
Taking the 67 Biscayne around the block. Such a cool car. Big block V8 with a 4-speed. I'll take it. Power steering and AC, it doesn't get better than that. Drives pretty smooth, straight down the road. Tell you what, this seat is probably the best part of it. This is the comfiest seat I have sat in a while. Very cushioned, it's roomy. This thing's just gliding over the bumps, honestly. Drives really smooth. All the gauges seem to be functional on the dash there. Even the clock works. It's a nice touch. Power steering's effortless. Could do it with my pinky. Turn signal, let's see, it lights up on the dash. Let's see if it cancels when we open her up. Turn signal cancels. Gotta love the sound of a big block V8. We're cruising 60 miles an hour, guys, like nothing. You could take this on a road trip. No problems at all. Feels great. The heat works, vents work, all the The glides, they slide very smoothly. Sometimes those cables like to bind up, but those are super smooth. All the lights work. The lights work on the dash as well. Let's try the wiper blades. Yep, those work good. Very nice. How about the horn? Horn works too. Everything's functional. The radio we have not figured out yet. When you turn the key, it sounds like the speakers turn on, so I wonder if there's an aftermarket stereo somewhere that's hidden. We'll have to take a look for it. Yeah, hop in and go. Get yourself a car that you don't really see too often. Not too many Biscaynes like this.
So I hope that test drive was fun. This was a body off frame restored car. It looks practically brand new underneath. Starting up front, all the suspension and steering was all rebuilt or replaced. It all is detailed and looks fresh. The whole frame is painted. Rear suspension all redone. Brakes completely redone. All the brake lines replaced. E-brake is hooked up. All new fuel system, the tank, the lines. It does have a nice sounding dual exhaust with an H-pipe, Flow Pro mufflers, and nice turn down tips. It's all kind of tucked up in there, real nice. Look up at the motor, it's spotless. It has a high torque starter. 4-speed transmission. Like I said, the tag said it was born a 4-speed car, and the VIN number on the transmission matches this car. 12-bolt rear end, 355 posi gears. The codes and the dates also line up to this car. So it's presented to us as an all-number match car. The color, the motor, the trans, the rear. The only thing changed really would be the wheels and the high torque starter. So really slick ride. Everybody liked this car when it came in here. It's unique, it's different, it's quality. Matter of fact, Caleb told me he liked it more and more as he spent time with it and did the test drive in that. So go to volocars.com where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.